Hello friends, Union Bank of India has given a recruitment notification for the post of Specialist Officer for the year 2021. The freshers and experienced graduates, postgraduates and eligible professionals can apply for this post. The total number of vacancies are 347 and the last date to apply is 3rd September 2021. So the details of the vacancies are as follows. So for the post of senior manager in risk management, there are total 60 vacancies. For the post of manager in risk management, there are total 60 vacancies. For the manager in civil engineering department, the total number of vacancies are 7. For manager in architect department, the total number of vacancies are 7. For the manager in electrical engineering department, the total number of vacancies are 2. And for the post of manager in printing technology, the vacancies are 1. And for the post of manager in forex department, the vacancies are 50. For the post of manager in chartered accountant, the vacancies are 14. For the post of assistant manager as technical officer, the vacancies are 26. And for the post of assistant manager in forex department, the total number of vacancies are 120. And also there is a reservation for candidates belonging to different categories like SC, ST, OBC, economically weaker section candidates and physically handicapped candidates. So age limit for this different post is like as follows. For the senior manager post, the age limit is 30 to 40 years. For the post of manager, the age limit is 25 to 35 years. And for the post of assistant manager, the age limit is 20 to 30 years. And also there is age relaxation provided to SC, ST, OBC and person with disabilities candidates as well as for ex-servicemen and persons affected by 1984 riots. And the educational qualification required for different posts are as follows. For the post of senior manager in risk management, the education requirement is the certification in financial risk management for Global Association of Risk or professional risk management certification or holder of chartered financial analyst or CA or CMA or CS or full-time MBA in finance with minimum 2 years of degree program or PGDM with specialization in finance with minimum 60% in aggregate or masters in mathematics or statistics or economics with minimum 60% in aggregate. And this post requires minimum of 5 years work related experience. So for the post of manager in risk management, the qualification requirement are as same as the senior manager. The difference is just that here the 2 years of experience will be required. For the post of manager in civil and engineering department, the candidate need to have a B or BTech degree in civil engineering from a university recognized by Government of India or approved by government regulatory bodies with minimum 60% marks in aggregate. And this post will also require minimum 3 years of experience. For the post of manager in architect department, the candidate will need to have a bachelor degree in architecture with a minimum of 60% marks in aggregate and also must have valid registration of Council of Architecture. Also the candidate must have knowledge of AutoCAD and should be conversant with government guidelines pertaining to procurement of works, goods and services. This post will also require minimum 3 years of work experience. Then for the post of manager in electrical engineering department, the candidate will need to have a BE or BTech degree in electrical engineering with minimum 60% marks in aggregate. This post will also require minimum 5 years of post qualification experience. Then for the post of manager in printing technology, the candidate will need to have a BE or BTech in printing technology from a university recognized by Government of India or approved by government regulatory bodies with minimum 60% marks in aggregate. This post will also require minimum 3 years of experience. Then for the post of manager in chartered accountant department, the person will need to have a chartered accountant degree from institution recognized by ICAI with minimum 2 years experience as CA in a bank or NBFC or FIs or credit rating agencies. For the Post of manager in forex department, the person need to have a graduate in any discipline or a full-time MBA or PGDBA or PGDBM or PGPM or PGDM with specialization in finance, international business or trade finance with minimum 60% marks in aggregate. This post will also require minimum 3 years of work experience. And a certificate course in forex conducted by IIBF along with above mentioned qualifications will be preferred in this particular post. Then for assistant manager post as a technical officer, the candidate will require to have a degree in engineering in either civil or electrical or mechanical or production or metallurgy or electronics or electronics and telecommunication or computer science or information technology or textile or chemical, etc. Or the candidate will need to have a B Pharma from a university recognized by Government of India or approved by government regulatory bodies with a minimum of 60% marks in aggregate. So the selection process consists of 3 phases. The first is the online examination. The structure of examination is as follows. So there are total 4 parts in this examination. First is the reasoning part, which have 50 multiple choice questions carrying a total of 25 marks. Then the second part is quantitative aptitude, comprising of 50 multiple choice questions carrying a total of 50 marks. Then third part is professional knowledge relevant to the post. So there are total 50 multiple choice questions carrying a total of 100 marks for this particular section. And the next section is the English language. So for that, the candidate will have to solve the 50 multiple choice questions carrying a total of 25 marks. So total duration of the examination will be of 120 minutes and the examination will be of total 200 marks carrying a 200 marks with 200 multiple choice questions. Then the next page is the group discussion. So based on the marks of online test, candidates will be called for group discussion. Maximum marks for group discussions are 50 and minimum qualifying marks are 25. For reserved category candidates, the qualifying marks are 22.5. Then the third step is personal interview. Candidates securing minimum qualifying marks in group discussion will be called for personal interview. Maximum marks for PI are 50 and minimum qualifying marks for personal interview are 25, and for reserved category the qualifying marks are 22.5. So there is total 850 rupees application fee for general or economically weaker section and OBC category candidates. There is no fee for SC, ST or person with disabilities candidates, and the fee can be made through online payment mode. Then how can you apply for this post? The eligible interested candidates apply online through Union Bank of India online portal, and the last date for registration of online applications is 3rd September 2021. To see the detailed notification, you can go to the official website of Union Bank of India, that is unionbankofindia.co.in. On that particular website, you can go to the recruitment section. After clicking here, you can go to this particular link to see the current recruitment advertisements. And here you can see the recruitment notification for specialist officers. So here you can see the complete notification for applying for this jobs. So that's it for today, guys. If you find this video useful, please share it among your friends and family, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel for more such videos. Thank you.